So hello and as always, Walk Learning MG. So many of you have been asking me about Tor Browser. So basically, I'm going to tell you right off the bat, it's an app that in which the VPN, basically, you've got a different VPN to your actual current one. Basically, if you want to watch some sports or if you want to see a series that in your home country you cannot actually watch, that's the way to do it. Now, my humble opinion would be just be sensible. Know that even though you've got a different VPN to your actual one, that doesn't mean that someone cannot actually make sure they actually know which one is your true actual VPN. So just make sure that you just use it sensibly. I always say that it's secure, but only as secure as you want it to be. If you start putting in your data and you start using it as you see fit, then obviously you may have some issues. But other than that, it works perfectly. I think it's a great actual app. You can download it off Google, and I think that it works wonders. Okay. Now previously it had a different emoji. Now currently it's called Tor Browser, and here you've got it. I've got it in Spanish, but obviously you can also have it in English. Okay. If you've got any questions, just let me know in the comments, and thank you very much for watching.